Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in the formation of red blood cells, the maintenance of neurological function, and the synthesis of DNA. While it's naturally found in abundance in animal products like meat, poultry, fish, and dairy, plant-based eaters don't have to worry since there are several vegetarian sources of this important vitamin. In fact, many common foods are fortified with B12, making it easy to meet your daily requirements on a vegetarian diet. In this video, we will explore 8 of the best vegetarian sources of vitamin B12, which includes fortified breakfast cereals, fortified plant-based milks, nutritional yeast, dairy products, eggs, fortified nutritional drinks, fortified tofu and soy products, and B12 supplements. Alright, now let's dive into our list of 18 vegetarian sources of vitamin B12, starting with fortified breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals are fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12. Fortified cereals typically provide 100% or more of the daily value of B12 per serving. To ensure you're getting a sufficient amount, always check the nutrition label. It's important to note that not all cereals are created equal. Many options are loaded with sugar and lack fiber. Therefore, it's advisable to choose whole grain, low or reduced sugar cereals with at least 3 grams of fiber per serving for a healthier choice. Next, we have fortified plant-based milks. For vegans and vegetarians who avoid dairy milk, fortified soy, almond, oat, or rice milks are excellent alternatives. These plant-based milks are often fortified with essential nutrients, including vitamin B12. The amount of B12 can vary depending on the brand and type, so it's always a good idea to check the nutrition label. As a tip, remember to shake the carton well before drinking, as B12 can settle at the bottom over time. Our third item is nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast that has a cheesy, nutty flavor and is used as a seasoning or condiment. This vegan staple is a good source of B12, with just 1 to 2 tablespoons providing the recommended daily intake or more. However, it's important to ensure that the nutritional yeast you purchase is fortified with B12, as some varieties are not. The fourth one on our list is dairy products. For lacto-vegetarians who consume dairy, milk, cheese, and yogurt are natural sources of vitamin B12. On average, 1 cup of milk provides about 1.2 micrograms of B12, which is roughly 50% of the daily value. Fifth, we have eggs. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are a good source of vitamin B12. On average, 1 large egg contains about 0.6 micrograms of B12. While this may not meet your daily requirements, combining eggs with other B12-rich foods or fortified foods can help you meet your recommended intake. Now we come to fortified nutritional drinks. For individuals with a limited intake of solid foods, such as those undergoing cancer treatment or recovering from surgery, fortified nutritional drinks can be beneficial. Meal replacement drinks like Ensure or Boost often contain essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12. The seventh item on our list is fortified tofu and soy products. Some tofu brands are enriched with vitamin B12. It's important to check the packaging to verify, as not all tofu varieties are fortified. Similarly, some soy-based products may also be fortified with B12. Lastly, we have B12 supplements. Vitamin B12 supplements are a reliable option for vegetarians, especially vegans, to meet their daily requirements. These supplements are readily available in tablet, sublingual, under the tongue, spray, or injection forms. If you choose to use a supplement, look for forms of B12 such as methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin, which are easily recognizable. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.